Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make an origami ninja star. So let's get right into it. Step 1, fold both the pieces of paper in half like this. And then you do it on the other one. Step 2, unfold the pieces of paper and fold the on both sides of the piece of paper into the middle because you've got that line there. And then do that again on the other side. Then once you've done that, fold them in half so it's like a little shape like that. Then you fold them in half again this way so they're both touching up the top. Then unfold them and you want one side to be facing down like this on here, and then on the other one you want this side to be facing down as well. So it can basically you also need to fold that off on both of them, and then it should end up looking like a Y if you do this, and if it doesn't you need to replay that little bit and check how I did it. And then you turn it over and then you fold it this way so it's starting to look a bit like a Z. See that? You should do it like that, and then you do it on the other way. And then once you've done that, you fold them both into the middle. So you basically make it so it looks like there's not those anymore, so it looks like it's just that. And then you do that on this side. Okay, once you've done this, you put the two flat sides on each other. Then you fold this piece inside there, and same with this side, but you might need to push it up a bit like that. So you have this, and then you do the same on this side. Push this up, put it in, and here as well. Push this up, and then put it in. And then push it like that, so it's a bit more flat, and then you've made your very own origami ninja star.